How to fix Discord unable to react to messages? Well, if you're unable to react to any of the issues, right, any of the text on a server, then you want to see certain things. Like it can be caused by disabled emojis settings, a lack of channel permissions, or being blocked by the message sender. So on desktop, you can simply first go to text images. So head over to users settings, right? Once you head over to the users settings, you want to head into text and images settings here down below. And once you find the text and images settings here, what you want to do is you want to head over and proceed to head over to the chat option and toggle on emoji reaction. So mine is already toggled on. As you can see, if I hover over a text, I'm able to react to it. Similarly, what I can do is here, as you can see, now if you are pressing the reaction and it's not showing up, then sometimes it can be internet glitch or an app glitch or a server glitch. Now rule out any server glitches by heading over to down detector websites and checking if there is and check to see if there is any issue with it. If not, what you want to do is you want to proceed to head over right to your application back again, and you want to first restart it. So press Ctrl plus R and that should restart your Discord application quickly, fixing any glitches or bugs. Also make sure to restart device if that doesn't help. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.